What's going on, guys? Today I will be doing an unboxing from speedcubeshop.com. So let's open it up. Oops, I already ripped it. Okay. Can I get some scissors? Hey, thanks. Open it up. It's so hard to open. Alright, we got some lube. We have a conjoined 3x3 and a mat. Alright, so let's open up the lube. The lube is Stardust lube. Alright, here it is. Here it is, Stardust. 6 drops, okay. The conjoined cube is so much bigger than I thought it was going to be. Alright, here it is. It's a really big cube. They're Calvin's puzzles. They actually turn pretty good. Oh, we can't do F moves. J-perm, okay. This is hard to turn. It's such like a big cube, and since they're conjoined, trying to do a checkerboard pattern, but it's not working because you can't turn the middle layer like that. But this is pretty cool. Okay, did it work? Oh wait, it's the same on all sides. Okay. Alright, so there's the conjoined cube. Now let's get the mat. Alright, here it is. It's the cosmic mat. Alright, I'm gonna go get a timer and a cube, and I'm gonna do a time solve. Alright, I'm back. Let's do inspection. Okay. Ah. 24.136, and I can't decide on my main, the GAN 13 Maglev or the Moyu Weilong WRM Maglev. I just can't pick. Alright, so I think I'm gonna put some Stardust in the Weilong. 6 drops, that's what it said to use. Right. I'll break it in. Yeah, I made it faster. I think I might actually main the Waylong WRM now. Alright, now let's solve it. Oh, what did I do? Okay, there we go. Okay. Finish off with a T-firm. 24.841. This cube is gigantic. Alright, here, let's do this, then can't turn the middle axis, doesn't work. I might do a video on trying to solve this conjoined cube, and I think tomorrow is gonna be when I unbox the smallest 3x3, the world's smallest 3. Sorry about that, there was just an alarm going off on the camera phone. So what I was saying is tomorrow, I think, is when I'm unboxing the world's smallest 3x3. And just let me solve this real quick. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!